Hello guys, how are you? Guys, we were discussing about insurance. In last video, I tell you about history of the insurance and who started the insurance policies and why it need to start the insurance policies. So guys, I today my topic is spreading risk in dangerous waters and what is life insurance and more anything. First of all, subscribe my channel so that you get all my new updated videos. Viewers, spreading risk in dangerous water. In the late 1600s, shipping was just beginning between the New World and the Old. As colonies were being established and exotic goods were ferried back, the practice of underwriting emerged in the same London coffee houses that operated as a unofficial stock exchange for the British Empire. A coffee house owned by Edward Lloyd, later the Lloyds of London, was the primary meeting place for merchants, ship owners, and other sea insurance. A basic system of funding voyage to the New World was established. In the first stage. Merchants and companies would seek funding from the venture capitalists of the day. Viewers, they in turn would help find people who wanted to be colonists, usually those from the more disparate areas of London, and would purchase provisions of the voyage. In exchange, the ventures capitalists were guaranteed some of the returns from the goods to the colonists would produce to find in the Americans. So, viewers, it was widely believed you could not take two left turns in America without finding deposit of gold, other precious metals. When it turned out this was not exactly true. Venture capitalists still founded voyages for a share of other new bumper crop tobacco. After voyage was secured by venture capitalists, the merchants and ship owners went to Lloyd's to hand over a copy of the ship's cargo manifest so the investors and underwriters who gathered there could read it. Viewers, those who were interested in taking on risk signed at the bottom of the manifest beneath the figure indicating the share of the cargo for which they were taking responsibility. In this way, a single voyage would have multiple underwriters who tried to separate their own risk by taking shares in several different voyages. Viewers, by 1654, Blaise Pascal, the Frenchman who gives us the first calculator, and his countryman Pierre de Formet discovered a way to express probabilities and better understanding level of risk. That breakthrough began to formalize the practice of underwriting and made insurance more affordable. So, guys, first insurance rises out of the ashes. In 1666, the Great Fire of London destroyed more than 13,000 buildings. London was still recovering from the pillage that had begun to ravage it the year earlier, and many survivors found themselves without homes. As a response to the chaos and outrage that followed the burning of London, group of underwriters who had dealt exclusively in marine insurance now formed companies that offered fire insurance. So guys, this was my today's topic. So wait for my next topic. In next topic, I will tell you about history of life insurance. Insurance immigrates to America slowly, and so on.